First of all, look at this wig. You guys. Look at this wig. Yes. Let me sit upright so y'all can get into her. I'm loving this. Now, granted, this piece needs to stay out my face. Very sexy. I think if I put some mousse in this, it will give the ultimate wet look. I know I need to tame my edges. I know. They're not cooperating right now. Oh, there they go. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Alright, got to be. Come through. Got to be. The edges definitely need to be tamed for this side part to work. I do think the part could use a little more plucking. It could use a lot of more plucking. Definitely needs some plucking. Alright, maybe a little heat off the top right here. But other than that, she's love, y'all. What y'all think? I think she is cute. Even in my face, I can deal with her in my face a little bit. And I think the camera, the light is not really doing the color justice because it's very tame. It is not as orange as it looks to me on camera right now. It looks orangey on camera. I'm not too sure if that's how it really looks, but this is absolutely adorable with some hoops. I'm not sure if I'd rock with the polka dots, but it does give it a little bit of a pop. It's different. I love the texture of this hair. Very comfortable, very light. It's a lightweight wig. Very simple. I didn't have to cut any lace. I will have to pluck the part because I don't like the part right now, so I am going to pluck the part. Other than that, it's very easy. I just threw it on my head. I slicked down my baby hairs and bada bing. And once I fix the part, it will be even better. So let me know what you guys think. I like her. I purchased this a while back. Never got to review her because I got caught up reviewing other wigs. But this is Akila, Sassy H Akila in the color SOMBRE RT 27/30. If you guys like this wig, definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I'll also put a link down so you can purchase it if you like. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay royal.